Unemployment claims. The U.S. Department of Labor reported nearly 3.3 million people filed for unemployment insurance in the week ending March 21st. That's up from 211,000 just 2 weeks before, which was before the business closing started. With rent and mortgage payments due on the first of the month, lots of people right here in Central Georgia are trying to figure out how to pay the bills, especially those who are out of work. Ashlyn Webb spoke to an expert on options available for people struggling to make payments.
Christy Simmons had two jobs, one as a server at Red Lobster in Dublin, the other at Old Times Country Buffet in Macon.
20th of March, I got laid off from both.
She, like many in the restaurant industry, is searching for jobs, but at the same time, bills are still due.
I have rent to pay. Matter of fact, it's due tomorrow. Do I have it? No. The rest of the bills roll in the first 2 weeks of the month. Do I have that? No.
It's a situation many are facing. We brought your questions to Kelvin Collins with the Better Business Bureau. Collins says the number one thing to do is communicate with your landlord.
They want you to stay in that home. They want you to stay in that apartment. They don't want to try to find someone else to rent it to.
Also, Collins says you won't be evicted immediately if you can't make that payment.
There's a process that they have to go through.
Also, to help renters, the federal loan agencies Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will offer multifamily property-owned loan deferrals if they promise not to evict tenants.
The federal government understands that we're having, everyone is having trouble right now, and they have kind of said, okay, people might get behind on their bills. They may have some problems, so we're not going to be enforcing any evictions.
So what if you're having trouble making your mortgage? Collins says it's important to contact your lender to see your options.
Typically, these federally backed mortgages, there are not going to be any fees, and they'll work something out with you so that you get to stay in your home.
Collins says many lenders have already offered payment plans. Also, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are suspending foreclosures on their mortgages for 60 days. Simmons says she's working through this with some words of wisdom.
Feed your faith and starve your fear.
In Macon, Ashlyn Webb, 13 WMAZ News.
Now again, the halt on mortgage and evictions affects only those backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. To learn more about your rights as a tenant or a landlord, look for the link to the Georgia Landlord Tenant Handbook. It's inside this story on 13WMAZ.com.